Unary operators. The unary operators require only one operand. They perform various operations such as incrementing and de-incrementing a value by 1, negating an expression, or inverting the value of a Boolean. So let's have a look at these operations. Plus. This is a unary plus operator. It's used for giving positive values. It's only used when deliberately converting a negative value to a positive. Minus. This is a unary minus operator. It's used for negating the values. Plus plus. This is an increment operator. So it increments a value by 1. Minus minus. This is a decrement operator. It decrements a value by 1. Exclamation mark. So this is a logical complement operator. It inverts the value of a Boolean. So why don't we do up some examples with unary operators? In the exercise project, right-click on the operator package and select New, Class, and specify the class name as unary operator, and select the checkbox for the main method. Okay, so let's start to code. Let's declare two variables. First, the number with double type and assign 7.6. So second is check with Boolean type and assign true. So now in the first print method, we'll use a unary plus operator. So let's copy the print method by using the shortcut Control-Alt down arrow. And in the second print method, we can use unary minus as our operator. In the third print method, we'll use the increment operator. In the fourth print method, we can use the decrement operator. And in the last print method, we can use the logical complement operator. All right, so that looks right. So that's pretty much it. Let's run the code. And remember that the value of the number variable was 7.6. And as you see right here in the console, plus number equals 7.6, so there's no change. The minus number equals minus 7.6. It inverts the sign of the number variable. Plus plus number equals 8.6, so that increments the value by 1. Minus minus the number equals 7.6, so that decrements the value by 1. So not is_check equals false. The first value of is_check was true, and then it inverts the value of the Boolean. So in Java, we can also use plus plus and minus minus as operators for both prefix and suffix. However, there is a significant difference when using increment and decrement operators as prefix and suffix. So why don't I show you by an example? So why don't we declare the variable result with double type and assign 4.7 to it. In the first print method, we can use the increment operator as a prefix and then write result plus plus. In the second method, and we'll just write result. So in the third method, we'll use the increment operator as a suffix and write plus plus result. And in the last print method, we'll write only the result again. All right, so that's all. So let's run the code, and you see the result in the console. When the first print is executed, the original value is evaluated first. the result is increased only after that. So we got 4.7 as our output. So when the second print is executed, the increased value 5.7 is printed. However, when the third print is executed, the result is increased by 1 first before it's printed on the console. And then when the last print is executed, 6.7 is printed.